Hi friends, I am Sanskriti Sharma and I am here to get a new video, and this video is related to the counting from 1 to 10 in Japanese. So I have my friend Lakshata over here. She is Lakshata and we both will be doing. I have to make her learn the counting from 1 to 10 in Japanese. So let's get started. So let's get started. So the counting from 1 to 10 is very easy, as the Japanese words means the counting in Japanese, it is similar to that of the English words only. I know that you can't understand it. Let's see it. So the one is ich, ni, san, she and go. So the one is ich. So ich we have to learn it on our own. And second one is ni, ich, ni. So 1 minute. So I have told you that one is ich, second is ni, and ni we all know that ni is this part, the joint. So ich and ni. Third is the sun, the head of the solar system. One is ich, ni and sun. Fourth is she, the pronoun that we use for a girl, lady or woman is known as she. So ich, ni, sun and she. 5 is go. Go means to go away. So ich, ni, sun, she and go. So I have to make Lakshita learn this. So 1 she has to learn on her own. So 1 is ich. Repeat after me. Ich. Ich. Second is ni. Third is sun. Fourth is she. 5 is go. So again, ich, ni, sun, she and go. So now she has to repeat it. Let's see that she has learned it or not. So with actions. So she has to do it with the actions so that she can understand it great. She can understand it very well. So
Ich,
this is it.
ni, sun, she and go.
Yes. So she has learned it. Now we have to do from 6 to 10. So we have done ich, ni, sun, she and go. 6 is Rick, Sage, Hodge, Gu and Jew. So it is Rick. These 5 you have to learn it on your own only, because the words are not similar to that of English words. So no action can be done in this. So 6th is Rick, Sage, Hodge, Gu, Jew. So the 8th one, it is Gu. Sorry, 9th one is Gu. So Gu. We in Hindi we say that Q. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? तो that Q, the starting word of Q is K. But if we add except G, मतलब K, if we add G, then it will become Gu. So we have to say Gu. 9th is Gu. So ich, ni, sun, she, go. So okay. So Rick, Sage, Hodge, Gu, Jew. Rick, Sage, Hodge, Gu and Jew. So now she has to repeat it. So this is
Rick,
yes.
Sage,
Hodge,
Gu, Jew.
Yes, she has learned it. So let's see. So she has learned it from 1 to 10. So now let's listen from her from number 1 to 10 in Japanese. So let's begin. So this is
Ich, ni, sun, she, go, Rick, Sage, Hodge, Gu, Jew.
very great. She has learned it. Now it's chance for the second girl to learn it. So now here's my friend Ria. So now I will tell how to teach her the countings. So let's begin. So first I have to make her also understand the counting from 1 to 5. So let's begin. So this is 1 मतलब H,
knee,
sun,
sun,
she,
go,
yes, correct. So now I have to explain her with the expressions, means the actions. So now let's begin with the actions. So this was H. Second one is knee. So knee is this, knee. So H, knee. Third is the sun, the head of the solar system. And the fourth is, yes, she. And 5 is give. No, go. Yes. So now I have to make her understand this. So this is H. Repeat after me. Me, sun, she, go. Yes, she is correct. So now again she has to repeat after me. So this was H, me, H, me, sun, she, and go. Yes, correct. So now I have to listen from her. So have to learn. So this was
she, me, sun, she, go.
very good. Now she has also learned it. Great. So now I have to learn her from 5. So I have to make her learn from 6 to 10. Stop. Yeah. So let's begin. So we have done with H, me, sun, she, and go. So 6th is Rick, Sage, Hodge, Give, and 10th is Jew. So let's begin. See. Repeat after me. This was Rick, Sage, Hodge, Give, and Jew. Yes, correct. So let's begin again. So this was Rick, Sage, Hodge, Give, and Jew. So let's see that she has learned it or not. Let's begin. So this is
H, knee, sun, she, go. Rick, Sage, hot, you.
She has done one mistake. She has read hot, but it was Hodge. So we have to remember this also. So let's begin again. H, me, sun, she, go, Rick, Sage, Hodge, Give, and you. So now I have made my new video. So please like, subscribe, and comment me that how you liked this video. So, and please like all of my videos and subscribe them. And please don't forget to click the notification bell button for every video I will upload. You can see it. Please like and subscribe it and comment also. This is very important. Bye.